I am obsessed with this hair. Like, I am so grateful, so thankful that they sent me over this hair because, baby, wow, it has been over a year since I picked up this camera. Like, literally, it has dust on it. Everything has dust on it, but here I am. My hair is in 4 sections. Yes, I know I look a little wild, okay, but here I am back at it. So I am going to grab my hair straightener and I'm just going to straighten out my hair and then start to do the base for this crochet. I'm not going to do too much talking. We're just going to jump right in it. Okay, so I am all done. As you can see, I know it looks crazy, but that's okay because we're not too worried about that part. We're worried about the end result, okay? So this company was nice enough to send me out some of their curly crochet hair. 3C 4A texture, exotic, kinky, coily, reusable. Okay, so I can literally install this today and take it out and reuse it another time. It is in the color natural black, 16 inches. And the reason I'm giving you all these details is, you know, just in case you wanted to buy it yourself. So yeah. All right, so here's the hair fresh out of the bag. I have not washed it or anything. I am probably going to wash this. Ooh, and it does not have a smell. Like, this is some good I can tell this is some very good quality human hair. Like, yeah. Now this is what it looks like when it's washed. Look at this. I did not put any conditioner or anything on this hair. All I did was shampoo and rinse and towel dry. That's it.
In the city, remember you used to drive your car, pick up another your call, in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? You were standing with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking at you get on roof.
10 pieces. This is only 10 pieces. Like, look at that. You see how full that already looks? Ooh, I can't wait to blend my hair. So I'm going to come back when I'm pretty much almost done because this is very repetitive. I may show you guys a little bit more. I'll show you the back. But yeah, let's keep going.
You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide from the other man trying to get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love you, babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do?
Alright, you guys, I am finally done. I do have a lot of hair left. I do have this much, and then I have all of this hair left. As you can see, I probably need to cover this up a little bit better, but we'll see once I do the leave out. We'll see how that looks, and I'll see if I need to add more hair. But I'm just going to stop right here for now, and we are going to define the curls.
You need to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Slide, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad, but what I do, fighting without you, babe. But what I do, fighting without you, babe. But what I do, fighting without you.
Alright you guys, these are the final results. As you can see, this looks very natural. Like literally I did not have to do that much blending. All I did was put gel on my hair and like my curls are literally like just flowing. Look at that. I have not done a YouTube video in over a year. But I'm very thankful, very appreciative, very grateful that this company did send out this hair. This looks extremely natural. It looks like it's literally growing out of my scalp. Like this is my hair. But yeah, like I said, I haven't done a YouTube video in over a year. So many distractions, but I forgot my outro. But as always, just stay blessed. Continue to keep praising and loving God and give him the glory, and I will see you guys in the next video. Now let's look at the back. Let's look at the back. How are we looking? Period. Yes. And don't forget to stop by Hot Braids and buy this hair. Like, it's a good investment. This is reusable. So I will be posting another video on how I'm going to take these down. Hopefully it does not give me a headache. Hopefully it's a smooth and simple process.